Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the easiest ways that you can make free money online. And no, I'm not going to tell you to go start drop shipping. I'm not going to tell you to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to be teaching you guys ways that you can start and make money online and get paid as soon as today. So it's not going to be things that take time to build up over a long time. It's going to be things that you can relatively build pretty quickly and get that done today. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with the first way that you can go in here and hustle for some money. So the first thing you can do is definitely not the best thing you can do, but it's still a way to technically make free money, and that's by doing online surveys. And if you haven't seen online surveys before, I did a video a couple weeks back of trying online surveys for a week or two, and it's pretty easy. You just do a couple surveys, answer some questions, and you get paid. But it's pretty sketchy because they don't pay you in full all the time. Sometimes they tell you they're going to pay you this much, but they don't actually pay you until they pay you this much. Okay, so I just realized the lighting was pretty bad. There was some really big glare coming through this window right now, blowing on my side profile. So I fixed that. Hopefully the lighting is a little bit better now. I'm working on getting some studio lights in the background, so it'll be definitely the top-notch lighting, but I just haven't ordered those yet, so we'll get down to that soon. But hopefully the lighting is better now, and let's go ahead and get on to the next side hustle. So I know I wasn't gonna really include this, but I'm just gonna say at the beginning so I can go ahead and get it over with, but definitely try looking into drop shipping. And no, I'm not gonna tell you to go start drop shipping. You need to have a little bit of startup capital to start drop shipping, and whenever you start, you're gonna have to put a lot of work into it, and I can almost guarantee you that in the first run, probably the first month or two, you're gonna end up losing money. And after a while, I started getting a couple sales on drop shipping and getting the feel for it a little more. But if you're wanting to go online and make free money like this video, it's probably not a very good option for you if you're not ready to lose the money that you invest into it. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the ways you can actually make free money without any startup costs. So the next thing you can do is completely free. It takes a little bit of time to get a page, or if you already have one, then it's pretty easy, but it's definitely selling shoutouts on Instagram. That's probably the best tip in this video, is the best way to make money. You can make so much money doing it. I know some people, I'm friends with a couple people that own bigger theme pages and make upwards of $500 a month just by selling shoutouts. And that has nothing to do with sponsored posts, sponsored Instagram pages, or anybody hitting you up. That is just selling shoutouts. And basically, if you run a theme page or a meme page, you've probably seen it before, but people message you and ask you to promote their page on your bigger page. And if they're a small page wanting to get some followers, they're probably going to get a little bit of traction from your page, so they're going to pay whatever your rates are, probably like $5 or $10 to get your page to get their page promoted on yours. And it's a pretty good way to make money. You make money and they'll probably get a couple followers. You'll probably lose a couple followers here and then on your page, but as long as you're gaining a lot of followers daily, if you have a pretty successful theme page, then it shouldn't be an issue because you'll gain that all back in a day. So the next way to make money is still in the Instagram theme page and meme page field, and that's flipping Instagram pages. So for example, you can message people that own meme pages or theme pages and message them and say, are you willing to sell this page? And pretty much some of the time they'll want to hear your offer, or maybe want to sell it. And if they're trying to sell it, give them an offer and maybe they'll sell it to you, and either you can keep it and grow it more and sell shoutouts as I said earlier, or you can sell it again for probably a higher price. You can just DM some of the followers and say, are you interested in buying this page, and give them a good deal, or what you would think to be a good deal, and hopefully they'll buy it. So I did that a couple times. I bought and sold a couple theme pages on Instagram, and I made a little bit of money on there, and it's pretty good. I would go back into there, but I just don't have the money to spend to buy a page, and that's another thing that takes startup capital to buy and start getting into the business. So the next thing you can do is a little bit of a startup cost, but it's not enough to really consider a startup cost, and that's making a eBay store. So you can basically buy or order products in your neighborhood or locally. For example, if you want to flip phones, you can buy a phone in your neighborhood. They usually have like Facebook marketplaces in your neighborhood, in your area. If you don't know, just ask your mom or dad if you have one, and if you have one, go look on there for some cheap phones and tablets or whatever you want to buy, and then buy it and then list it on an eBay store. And the chances are you'll be able to upscale it to about $100 profit every time. I've done that. I don't even know how many times. I'll buy something super cheap and then realize how much it's selling for on eBay, and so then I'll buy it on there, or then I'll sell it on there, and then if you want the product, just go buy another one cheaper. For example, this wasn't even have to do with Facebook or locally. I bought a brand new 4K Logitech Brio webcam before I upgraded to this camera here. I thought it would be super good for YouTube videos because we're recorded in 4K, but that was 2019 me, now this is 2020 me, and it obviously wasn't that good, and so I definitely sold it, but I sold it for over $150 more than I paid for it brand new. I think I paid $150 for it on Amazon brand new, and I sold it for $300. So that is a really good deal, and I sold it on eBay used. I had it for like 5 months already, and I've been using it, and I bought it brand new and sold it used for double the price. So you see where I'm going with this? You can definitely make a lot of money by flipping items. If you see products on Amazon or eBay that are selling for really low, then go ahead and copy it and then flip it up later, and that's I'd consider it online because the main selling and buying is regarding online sales. So go ahead and do that. Make sure you check that out. So the next thing you can do is listening to music, like this beautiful music right here. Pretty good music, right? You can listen to music just like this and make money off of it. So I did a video in the past on this one also, and it's called Slice of the Pie. It's a website that lets you listen to music or listen to little tap action music, and you can rate them, right? Like a little 5-sentence speech on it or whatever, and they'll pay you like 7 cents per survey. And I did it. My account actually got temporarily banned because I was just blowing through them, but you can finish them in about a minute or a minute and a half, and you can make 7 cents on each one. So you can basically make minimum wage by doing this. I did the math and it was almost $7 exactly by doing that, in which Texas $7.25 is the minimum wage, and so you could basically make minimum wage just by listening to music. So go ahead and check that out, slicethepie.com, if you want to listen to music and make money. No partnership, no sponsorship, so make sure you check them out because I really support them. I think it's a good way to make money and I liked it. So this wasn't really a full action-packed video, it was just a couple tips that I thought of that were the best to make money online. And during this quarantine pandemic, whatever, I think a lot of people are wanting to make more money online, especially if you're a kid trying to make some money to go buy Xbox games or whatever you want to buy. So I just thought it would be interesting to give you guys a couple ways that you can go ahead and make money, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys start making a lot of bank. Make sure you try some of these tips out. If you have any recommendations of what I should do next, leave it in the comments. I always appreciate video ideas, and the support in the comments helps a lot. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.